Welcome to iDynamics Learn. In today's video, we will introduce iDynamics Commissions, the most advanced sales commission tool for Business Central.
Commission advances or draws are one of the new features included in iDynamics Commissions. In order to use it, just go to the Commissions menu and look for the Commission Advance journal. On this page, you can add as many salespeople as needed, specifying the date on which the commission is going to be advanced, the amount that is going to be advanced, and the date on which this amount should be returned, as well as a small description. Once this journal is posted, two commission entries will be generated, one for the date on which the advance is being given so that it can be paid to the salesperson as a regular commission, and another on the return date. That way, at the end of the year, in this example, when commissions for sales targets are generated, these amounts will be taken back from those commissions.